guys, I'm Lucille, and yeah, and so today we're gonna be doing random stuff in Tower of Hell. I'm Lucille. I'm 10 years old, and my TikTok account is called Lucille Lockwood, and my Roblox account is called Leah Lee Grace. No, but hi Bunny Squad.
Okay, so I'm Eva. I'm 10. My Roblox account, oh my god, my TikTok account is called xeva.x20. Don't ask about the user. I didn't put it as that. And I have another TikTok account, but I'm not going to tell you because it's cringe. Okay, anyway, and my Instagram is called _miss_plum. Don't ask about it. And then my Facebook is Eva X9, and then my Roblox account is called Violet_7982. I'm changing it, don't you worry. Because I didn't put it as that. And yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we're gonna be doing random things, and look at me on the second level. I'm on the second level. Oh, sorry, that's a song. And
By the
Spider.
way, if we say something like rude to each other, it's jokes inside jokes.
Yeah. Don't you worry, we're actually putting this on YouTube, but Eva doesn't even know yet.
Excuse me, I can hear you.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to put it on mute. So, guys, it's on mute. Hello, Eva is yeah.
Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, she got it on mute. Thanks. Thanks, Queen.
Thank you for calling me Queen, because I'm Queen and she's Plum.
Yeah, it's Plum, because that's my second name.
And my second name is Mr. Elf Lockwood.
Yeah.
Lucille Mr. Elf Lockwood Queen.
Okay, I'll tell you something that we're not really allowed to tell you guys. But I guess. So basically, my actual name is Plum. Her actual name is Elf. Eva, stop copying it up.
That's it.
My name is Plum.
Basically, that's it. That's what is our names. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Eva's back now, sorry. Okay, and
Sorry, my birthday's in 3 weeks.
Yeah, so shout out to her.
Wait, why don't we do a birthday present for me?
I've already gave 3k on Bloxburg to you. And like all the other days I gave you 100k, so yeah. Okay, now you feel very awkward, don't you? Yeah, but she's gave me 2k yesterday, so she's very nice. Yeah. I know, this is very awkward. Yeah, we're doing awkward things. And I've not.
Yeah, don't judge. We do have inside
Like, what did the fox say?
I don't know. I'm too fat to have a baby.
I don't know, because I forgot the song. Yeah.
What's my baby?
What did the fox say? Ding, 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 ding.
What's my body's failing in this right now? I'm drunk. Help me, please, please, please.
Guys, what did she just say?
What?
I don't know what you just said.
Oh.
Sorry, guys, I am not deaf. I knew what she said, but yeah.
Yeah. Wait, for my birthday present, you should tell everyone for my birthday present that I know. You should get everyone to follow me for my birthday present, so I end up with 1K.
Yeah. Yeah, and when Corona's over, I'm gonna ask my mum to do a sleepover, and it'll be amazing.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna do a face reveal then, but they'll be in ages because I know Corona will take like ages. And there's another virus just came round like this morning, so yeah.
Lisa,
Yeah.
can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Corona will always be around.
I know. But don't.
Don't worry, because we can still go around people's houses. It's just we can't really catch it.
Yeah, we're staying in lockdown right now. We just came out though, because
I didn't even remember.
yeah, it's not lockdown anymore. I don't know. To be honest, my mum just said that this morning.
I think it's about like years ago.
Years ago. Yeah, it just happened like 2 years ago. Coronavirus. Like how?
Yeah, no, they actually happened 1 year ago.
I know. No.
You're so funny when you say you don't know stuff and then I tell you what's actually real and then you say yeah.
It is actually 2019, December 1st, we got the virus.
Yeah, so basically 2 years ago, but it wasn't because it was not, I mean, like, really bad. But, like, if we're, like, talking, like, real coronavirus, then yeah.
Yeah, that is actually. Oh my god, someone in the game's called Violet 212345.
Excuse me.
7. I know, like how?
That's my cousin.
Is it?
Yeah, my cousin's twin. I don't know.
We
No,
don't.
her birthday's tomorrow.
Oh, say hi.
What? She's 5 though.
Mm. Guys, I'm sorry you have to see these users. I don't know how to blur it out.
What? What
Oh,
are you talking about?
I don't know. You just left.
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah, you're not.
Wait.
That user is so similar to yours. I don't know if that's you or not. Oh my god, I'm making it, but I'm not also making it. I'm making it, but I'm also not.
Oh, I just saw you on the floor, so how are you making it if you're not making it?
Oh no, I just fell. Oh my god, I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Oh my god.
You're not doing it.
I did.
Someone skip it, please.
They can't skip it.
Oh, I want innovation. I don't know what it's called.
Okay, guys, we have to end it here, Sad.
No, you're making it.
We can't, Sad.
Right, wait, guys. End it. We're going to be posting in a minute after.
Yeah. But after I do it, because it takes like 100 minutes, like an hour to edit this. So
Yeah. No, we're not editing this. Are you joking? This is going to take years.
I know, just joking. We're not gonna edit this. But
Okay, then how long is it going to take?
9 minutes and 43 seconds.
Right.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, y'all.
Bye bunnies.